Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Last time we talked about delta to y conversion, and this time we want to see y to delta conversion. So we may need the topics that we covered in the previous lecture. So assuming that now I want to find the product of R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. In the denominator, it is clear that all the time is product of two of these resistors. Therefore, my denominator is Ra plus Rb plus Rc square. What is in the numerator? Product of Rb and Rc giving me Rb Rc to Ra Rc. It is Ra Rb Rc squared, then R1 to R C R1 to R3 is giving me Ra Rb squared Rc plus Ra Rb squared Rc, and the next is giving me R2 and R3, product of R2 and R3, which gives me Ra squared Rb Rc. Okay, and I can take the common factor of 1 Ra Ra, Rb, Rc. If I take the common factor of these two, because I have Ra, Rb, Rc, what is left in the first one? Rc is left in the first one, in the second one Rb, and in the third one Ra is left. And I have Ra plus Rb plus Rc squared. This is cancelled with this one, so therefore I get Ra, Rb, Rc over Ra plus Rb plus Rc. So I can rewrite all of them as a final answer. R1 plus R2, R1, R3 plus R2, R3 is equal to Ra, Rb, Rc over Ra plus Rb plus Rc. This is, I can call this one as equation number 5. Okay, now I can divide this equation number 5 by, let's say, R1, for example. If I divide this one by R5, so what I have here, I can say that, okay, the left hand side of my equation is R1 plus R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3 over R1, which is equal to dividing Ra, Rb, Rc over Ra plus Rb plus Rc, and this is going to be over the whole thing, Rb, Rc over Ra plus Rb over Rc, Rb, Rc over Ra plus Rb plus Rc. Obviously, this is cancelled. This one, Rb and Rc is canceling here. RB and RC is canceling. What is left here? RA is left. And what is RA? RA is simply equal to R1, R2 plus R1, R3 plus R2, R3 over R1. So, meaning that for each resistor in delta network is the sum of all possible product of Y resistor taken two at a time divided by the opposite Y resistor if we look at the figure. So this is all possible product of Y network. R1, R2 plus R1, R3 plus R2, R3. Meaning that if I want to find RB, also I will have R1, R2 plus R1, R3 plus R2, R3. And for RC also I will have the same thing on the numerator, R1, R2 plus R1, R3 plus R2, R3 over the opposite resistor. What is the opposite resistor for RA? The opposite resistor for RA, as you can see, is R1. The opposite resistor for RB is R2. And obviously for the next one, it should be R3. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe me in order to not losing any other lectures.